Welcome to Okele Global Masterclass. In my last video, I taught you how you can boost your post or how you can run adverts. So in today's video, I'm going to show you another way how you can run adverts or another way of how you can boost your page. Okay? So if you're not following me, please kindly follow me, and also always share my videos so that other people can learn. Okay? And also like my videos so that Facebook can share this video to other people. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's go there. Join me on my screen. This is another way you can boost your post. Okay, so you first of all go to your Play Store, click on your Play Store. Click on search. Search for Facebook Ad Manager. You see it here. Facebook Ad Manager. Facebook Ad Manager. You click on it. So, because I have downloaded it before in my phone, so that's why it's saying update. Okay, so but for you that have not downloaded it, it will show download. After download, install. Just install this app. Then after installing this app, make sure that the Facebook that is in your phone is the one that has the page that you want to boost. Okay, after installing this app, you go back to your phone or you open it direct. So see the app here, Meta Ads. I click on it. Then when it opens the Facebook page that I saved with my phone. Okay, you click on this plus sign. Okay, like now you see it now, create new. So I want to create a new ad. I want to create a new post. I want to post a post. Click on video views. That is promote your video to get people attention. Click on it. Then here you select the video. You select the video that you want to boost. Let me choose this one for example. Okay. After that, it's either you click this arrow or you click this next. After selecting the video, you come to this primary text. You input the name of the video, like this one now is how to boost a post. You write it there, how to boost a post on Facebook using mobile phone. Okay, then you come down. Don't click on this special ad category. You come to this placement. That is where you want the ad to be run. Okay, click on it. You select on what? Manual placement. Click on it. Then you will need to remove it from Instagram, Audience Network and Messenger. You click on Instagram, you remove it, clear all. Then press OK. Audience Network, clear all, press OK. Then Messenger, clear all, press OK. So which means you only want this your advert to run on Facebook. Okay, you press what? Okay, next. That place is audience. Now you come down to create audience. You come to this location, make sure it's in Nigeria. Then come to age. You can reduce it from here. depending on who you are targeting. Okay, then come to gender, put it on all, except if you are targeting men or you are targeting women, you can select anyone. Okay, so you press OK. You click on the next one is billing section. You choose if you want Facebook to collect their money daily or lifetime. Put it on lifetime. Okay, then this amount here you can reduce. If it is 2,000 you want to spend in your ad, you reduce it to 2,000. As you can see, you reduce it to 2,000. You come to this schedule, you click when you want your ad to start. You start now, click on it. Then how many days do you want your ad to run? You can reduce it from pressing this minus, or you can increase it. Okay, so after that you do what? You press OK. When you press OK, you can go to your ad review and see all the settings you have done. After that, you place on what? Order. You know, in your account payment, because I have added my card there. If you have not added your card, they will bring out a place where you can add your payment method. So you place order, then your ad will start to run on Facebook. That is another way to boost your post. Thank you so much, and please make sure you share my video and like it so that other people will learn equally. Have a wonderful day. Bye.